What's up, guys? Back in the shop tearing it up again. I was going to show you, I've had that it's kind of like a disc cleanup roller type thing they sell at Harbor Freight and Amazon sells, and that's where I got this one. But it's got the big wide sanding wheel on it, and I've had it for a while. I haven't showed you guys. I wanted to work on it and see how it does. It does pretty good, but I'm gonna set up and let you guys look at this. And it's good for like big panels, you know, if you want to clean up some metal. And you kind of got to be, you know, if it's a body panel, you got to kind of be wary on how hard you push down. But as far as using it on something pretty thick, like that's 12 gauge, and I got some 16 gauge, you know, for sign making when I use my plasma cutter. It cleans up the burrs and stuff. And this, I kind of use, it's an old router table. I kind of transformed it into a metalworking table, and I laid that piece on top, and I was gonna let you guys check it out. I'm gonna flip this around and let you check it out. So this one's a CHEVY. It's a China-made product. Amazon sells. It's got this it's a real hard sanding wheel on it. It's got different places where you can put your handle. There's another one out there that's see, this is another thing I don't like about it, that I keep tightening it down, but it likes to move around. There's another one out there that has the actual wheel part in line, and those are high dollar. They're probably around 200 and something bucks. But this one I got for like $79 or something. I'll include it on the description on this video. But so far it don't work too bad. You don't get too carried away with it. And it's got the speed control on it, and then it's got the lock for the trigger when you hold it down. And I'm gonna clean this up and put y'all on video and let y'all look at it while I'm doing it. So that's the before. I painted on it. It's got some slag and paint and welding and rust and all kinds of goodies. We'll see how well it cleans up and how long it takes. Well, that didn't take long. That's probably the first time I've used it for that long, and it's smoking. You can tell the smoke on it. They included some different brushes on it. I'm gonna slap some new ones in it and see how well it turns back on or not. But if it kept up, man, it'll clean that panel pretty good. But if you can only do one panel without having to buy another one, it's not good. I got it unplugged. Let's see. Let's see what I can get into. Yeah, I don't think it's the brushes. I think we about to have something else going on. I don't know about it either. Well, that one might look kind of crusty. Whew. So I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them, just for giggles, until that looks like. They're hot. Plug it in and see what happens. Let's try it. I don't know what the deal is with that, but we'll give it a good go. Let's feel it. Let's see how hot it is. Not too bad. I'm thinking these were backed out quite a bit on both sides, so this might have been not screwed down all the way. Might have been creating some heat on those brushes. I kind of snugged them a little bit more than what they had, because you could feel this a while ago and they were flush. I screwed it down a little bit further. It don't smell too bad like it did a while ago, but the cylinder is getting smooth. I bet you if you can turn it around too and get a fresh bite on it, it'll probably do pretty good too. But there you go, guys. I'll keep y'all notified as I use it. This is probably the third time I actually did more than what I did before. And we cleaned up that metal. So when you buy this from Amazon, you might look for that brand, or hey, you might even make your own YouTube video and send it to me, and we can compare features and how well those brushes. If you got to change the brushes out, you know, pretty much all the time, I don't know about all that, but it came with, I think, one set of new brushes with it, and I didn't keep that box. I threw the box away, but I think that was around 80 bucks. I'll put that down in the description, and I'm going to fix and make another video on the lip around the Camaro on how to get rust off the easy way. But it's a different way than most people think they would use, but you kind of have to use just a minimum amount, because it's pretty caustic. But click on my next video and I'll show you what I'm talking about.